I'm on my way to meet up with Sean. We are going to do a street photo shoot today, and he invited one of his friends to come along so that we will do some photos. However, she told him that she will not be able to make it because something came up. So what I'm thinking is we are just going to scout, ask a stranger if they will be willing to be our model, and see how we roll.
Hey. What's up, how are you?
So we are trying to find someone to take photos of for the next hour.
We're scouting. We're looking around.
Yep. Just like a boss, just look around and say, hey, do you want to do this? Yeah. How's that? All right, let's do it. No? Excuse me. Excuse me.
She's on the phone.
Our model just got something came up and she cancelled on us.
Trust me, you're gonna be good.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Yeah? Yeah, she said yes. Finally found someone. All right, let's go out and do the photo shoot now. How are you feeling, huh?
I feel privileged
Yeah?
and confused. Very.
How do you come up with this pose?
I'm so amazed and I just think about it in my head. I just close my eyes and I'm like, yes, light bulb, idea. But the lie, I just follow nice photographers on Instagram. I just copy their poses, man.
So this morning when you got up, did you think that you will end up doing another
No
one?
shit. No.
I would, but I'm meeting a friend.
Sorry?
I would, but I'm meeting a friend.
Oh, that's
from
okay.
yeah.
No
but
worries.
thank you so much.
Excuse me, excuse me. Hi. Two down, that was successful, and now we are looking for the third person. Let's see how we go. Sean did some really good photos. We will see how they're gonna turn out.
Make you stand out in the crowd. There's no one picture from now, but when you glance from please let me. All I did is I was trying to let you go. Thank you. But now since I see you, it is on.
Yeah. Oh, more backup dancer. Here we are.
Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys.
It's Sunday night. There is no one in the city. Everyone is gone home.
There's a lot of people.
You think so? I can't see anyone. I mean, if it was Friday night, you would see so many people.
There's a lot of people though.
Yeah? Well, there's a lot of people, but not the kind of people that we are looking for, right?
Yeah, if it was Friday night, it would have been sick.
I know. But we're gonna find someone very soon, hopefully. No? That's okay. She said no. Photos with you?
No.
If it's a no, it's a no. If it's a yes and you are willing to try,
Yeah,
yes,
I'm willing
sure.
to try.
Let's
Just
do it.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Awesome.
Let's go for it.
She said yes. It's a wrap. What an awesome day. Thank you so much to Sean for coming along to do the photo shoot with me, and thank you to those ladies for coming along to do this crazy photo shoot with us, and it was amazing. I don't have a lot of words to explain how amazing this day was, from not having the model to having more than 3 people. It was just amazing. Can't wait to go home and see the outcome. I will see you on my next video.